To download a specific game, there are two main methods. The first method involves going to the Microsoft Store, where you can search for the game. In this case, a definitive edition of a particular game, and either purchase it outright or subscribe to a monthly service that allows access to a library of games. The cost of purchasing the game is around $18, while the monthly subscription offers a range of games to play. The second method is through a digital distribution platform called Steam. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one first. Once you have an account, you can search for the game, add it to your cart, and proceed to pay for it using your preferred payment method, such as credit card or other online payment options. After completing the payment, the game will be added to your library, where you can install and play it. To start playing, simply locate the game in your library, click the Install button, and wait for the download to complete. Once the game is installed, you can start playing by clicking the Play button. These methods provide a straightforward way to access and play the desired game. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, you can seek help through a comment section or other support channels.